Hey y'all, so I got a problem, okay? And I'm pretty sure a lot of other females got the same problem with their man. So when my husband gets on his PS4, he forgets the whole world. He don't pay me no attention. He don't hear nothing I'm saying. And that really irritates me. That really irritates me. And I be trying to be patient with the situation, but I really can't. Because I need you to answer me when I'm talking to you, especially if it's about something of importance. You know what I'm saying? He don't hear me, he don't see me. It's just a game. And then because he got them headphones on, it's like he lost in that little game world. He don't see what I'm saying or hear what I'm saying, and that's a problem. So y'all, I know a lot of y'all got this issue with y'all man, so I'm about to show you how zombified he becomes with this stupid ass game that he be playing. Like, he really don't be listening to me. Watch this. Babe. 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 Husband. Babe.
Yes, babe.
I've been asking you for hours to take the trash out. You said you would take it out last night. It's really starting to stink. Could you please take the trash out? Babe.
Babe, hold on, okay? I'm gonna hang out with you in a second, alright? I'm almost done, hold on.
I don't want you to hang out with me. I want you to take the trash out.
Babe.
Yes.
Can you grab me some water real quick?
Do y'all see what I'm talking about? This mug just said, let me get this right. He just said, can I grab him some water real quick? Didn't I just ask him to take the trash out, y'all? This is why I said that really irritates me. Like, I'm talking to you. You're not listening to anything I'm saying. But you gonna ask me for some water. Some damn water, y'all. Now, I'm gonna try this one more time. Babe. Husband. You say you wanted some water? Jessie.
Yes, love.
You want some water?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, I got you. I'll be back. I'm finna get him some water, alright? I'm finna get him some water. The water he said he want, finna give it to him. Now, ladies, this is how you fix this problem. Your man won't pay attention to you, and you're talking to him, you need his attention, whether you just want some attention from him or you need him to do something and he ain't doing it. This how you get him, alright? Watch and learn. He say he wants some water, he gonna get the water. Hold on. Babe. Babe.
Babe! Babe!
Not funny, Ed.
Come on. What's your problem, man?
I been calling your name for hours, trying to get your attention to take the trash out. You ignored me, but you want me to get you some water. So there's your water. What you about to do with that?
See?
What? You died, and it's a game. It's not real.
You do too much, bro.
Say I won't. Say I won't. Go ahead.
You be doing too much, man.
Go ahead.
You always
No.
doing something.
You always not doing something. You not paying attention to me when I talk to you. You need to pay attention.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done.
You need to pay attention.
I see how you
Beats him
are.
down.
Run.
Way too fucking much.
Babe, I'm sorry. Okay, fine. You win. You win. All right. All right. All right. All right.
Make a video.
Well, I got your attention, didn't I?
Okay. Alright. You wanna make videos.
Yes, because you won't pay me no attention. And I'm tired of it. You always on that stupid game.
You asked me a question and I answered your question.
No, you did not. I said, could you take the trash out? You said, bring me some water. You totally disregarded what I said. It was just focused on your needs. You got your water, didn't you?
Babe,
What?
you can't be recording me with my hair like this. You need to
I don't
told
give
you
a
already.
flying rat's ass
You always trying to make these videos.
about your hair. And what? You mad?
I'll take a show.
That's right. Alright, so he mad, y'all. He do not like cold water or cold hands touching him. So that really just, I know it irked him. Like, he don't like that. But I got what I wanted. Now he finna take the trash out. So that's how y'all do it. If y'all man not paying attention to you and he playing that stupid ass game all day, you know what to do. Boo. Go ahead and hit him with that cold water. Wake him up a little bit. Cause you know, you sprinkle him a little bit, you'll get his attention. Yep. So y'all seen how that worked out. Say hello. Say hi.